Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both phone and car. Update the Android Auto app and confirm your phone OS is current. Turn on Bluetooth and location services and connect via USB if your vehicle requires it. Make sure the car's infotainment system is awake and in pairing or Android Auto mode. Once done, accept any prompts on screen. This initial handshake grants permissions and media control. These steps set the foundation, so you can move smoothly into connecting accounts and configuring app access. You now complete the connection and tailor functionality. Pair your phone to the car via Bluetooth and follow the Android Auto prompts that appear on both screens. Grant microphone and messaging permissions so voice commands and texts work hands-free. Next, open Android Auto on the car display and choose navigation, music, and messaging apps you prefer. Rearrange shortcuts for one-touch access. Make sure to test voice command responsiveness and audio routing, because those confirm successful permissions and app prioritization before you drive. You finish by running final checks, ask for directions, play a song, and send a short voice message to verify controls. If Android Auto fails to connect, restart your phone, unplug and replug the USB cable, or remove and repair the Bluetooth device. Faulty cables cause most issues. Also make sure battery saver modes are off and the phone stays charged. If problems persist, clear the Android Auto app cache and try again. This typically fixes lingering permission or cache conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.